Shuttering, also known as formwork, plays a crucial role in the construction process by providing the temporary mold that holds wet concrete in place until it hardens. Without proper shuttering, concrete structures wouldn't have the desired shape or strength. Have you ever wondered how high-rise buildings, bridges, or even roads are formed? The secret lies in the various types of shuttering used in construction, each designed to meet different project needs. In this video, we will walk you through the most commonly used types of shuttering in construction, so you'll know which type works best for your next project. The first type we'll discuss is timber shuttering. One of the oldest and most widely used forms of shuttering in construction. Timber is inexpensive, easily available, and simple to work with, making it an ideal choice for small to medium-sized projects such as residential buildings, foundations, and slabs. It's especially useful for creating custom forms and shapes. However, timber has some downsides. It is not as durable as other materials and can warp when exposed to moisture, meaning it can't be reused many times. This makes it less suitable for large-scale projects, where durability and reusability are crucial, despite its limitations. Timber remains a popular choice due to its affordability and ease of use in smaller projects. Next up is steel shuttering, which is the go-to option for large-scale construction projects. Steel is known for its strength and durability, and it can support the heavy loads of wet concrete without warping or bending. This makes steel an ideal material for high-rise buildings, bridges, and other large infrastructure projects. One of the biggest advantages of steel is its reuse. Steel formwork can be used multiple times, making it a cost-effective choice for projects that require a large amount of formwork. However, steel comes with its challenges. It's more expensive than timber, and it requires specialized skills for installation, which can add to the cost. Despite this, steel's strength and long lifespan make it the preferred choice for major commercial and industrial projects. Another popular choice is aluminium shuttering. Aluminium is lightweight, yet still strong enough to handle the weight of wet concrete, making it easier to transport and set up compared to steel. This lightweight nature also allows for quicker installation, which is a huge advantage for projects that need to move fast. Like steel, aluminium formwork is reusable, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. In addition, aluminium offers a smooth finish to concrete, reducing the need for additional finishing work once the formwork is removed. However, aluminium is more expensive than timber and can be prone to damage if not handled carefully. Despite this, its balance of strength, ease of use, and reusability make it an excellent option for medium to large-scale projects. Plastic shuttering has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its lightweight nature and durability. Plastic formwork is resistant to moisture, which means it won't warp or degrade over time. But this makes it an ideal choice for projects that require fast turnaround times. It's easy to clean and can be reused many times, which makes it a more cost-effective option than timber for some projects. However, plastic shuttering tends to be more expensive than timber, and it may not have the same level of durability as materials like steel or aluminium, despite its higher initial cost. Plastic is a great choice for projects where speed and minimal maintenance are essential. Finally, we have modular shuttering, a pre-engineered system made up of panels that can be quickly assembled and disassembled on site. Modular systems are perfect for large-scale projects, especially high-rise buildings, where repetitive structures like floors and walls need to be created over and over again. The big advantage of modular shuttering is its efficiency. It significantly reduces labor costs and construction time, making it ideal for projects with tight timelines. The system is also highly reusable, which further reduces costs for large projects. Modular shuttering systems are versatile, cost-effective, and efficient, making them one of the best choices for large commercial and residential projects. Choosing the right shuttering for your construction project is crucial to ensuring the quality, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness of the build. For smaller projects, timber may be sufficient, but for larger, more complex structures, materials like steel, aluminium, or modular shuttering are the go-to options. It's essential to consider the specific needs of the project, such as the scale, budget, and timeline, when selecting the right formwork. The right shuttering material can save time, money, and effort, while ensuring the concrete structure is strong, durable, and properly shaped. In conclusion, understanding the various types of shuttering and their uses is essential for anyone involved in the construction industry. Whether you're working on a small residential project or a massive infrastructure development, choosing the correct shuttering can make a world of difference. From the cost-effectiveness of timber to the strength and reusability of steel and aluminium, each type of shuttering has its place in modern construction. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more construction tips and insights.